Hi, my last video got over 1 million views and a lot of the comments were like, can you recreate a Kourtney look? I love her eyes here and her under eyes, so let's recreate this look together. As always, I don't have a beauty filter on and I'm just sitting in front of my window. I'm gonna go in and start with my base, my foundation, Bare Minerals. This has SPF 20 and I'm just gonna put it everywhere. I'm gonna use all Bare Mineral products for this video because it's cruelty-free, clean at Sephora, and that's exactly on brand for Miss Kourtney. Look at her forehead looks very bronzed, her nose, but it's also very full coverage. I'm gonna bronze myself with a concealer because it has more coverage than a powder. This is the original liquid mineral concealer in the shade Deep Dark. I'm gonna blend this in, don't be scared. This is the same concealer in the shade 1C. I think I use this in every single video of mine. This is amazing for people who have lines and wrinkles under their eyes because it's so watery, it never sits. So in the photo, she's very, very bright in the center. So I'm just gonna focus it here, in the middle of my nose, here. I'm gonna let it dry for a couple seconds, then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm excited, we're starting to look like her. I know you don't see it, but you gotta trust the process. See, it's bronze here, very bright under my eyes. We used a lot of cream products, so we definitely have to set it. This is my favorite setting powder from Bare Minerals. It's called the Press Setting Powder. Sorry, it's not clean, I use it a lot. I'm gonna take it with a brush, and I'm just gonna apply it my under eyes so it doesn't crease, it doesn't move, all those powders. But because it's translucent, the brown and everything's not gonna change color either in my laugh lines. I'm gonna put it on my eyes. Give a moment to these Mineralist eyeshadow palettes. They look like a journal and they're 100% recyclable. They're so cute. Okay, this is gonna be a very easy eye look. Take a little bit of this brown and I'm gonna put it where my line is, and I'm just gonna buff that here, like this, out, like that. And I'm not gonna flick it too much. And I'm gonna do the same to my other eye. I take this color with my finger and I'm just gonna rub it against my lash line, and I'm gonna do the same for this eye. Put 2 coats of the Strength and Length mascara on my top and bottom lash. Like, I'm gonna go heavy with it. Mascara was incredible. I put some white eye pencil off camera in my waterline, and I'm gonna take a pink blush and I'm gonna apply it on my outer cheeks. Pink me up, and I'm just gonna apply it on my outer, and then I'm gonna take a bronzer. The original Mineral Veil that I use, the translucent one, but they have it in a darker shade for people with deeper skin tones, and I use it as a bronzer. Lightly stamp on Grace first, and Genuinity. So this is her. Her hair and her brows are darker, but other than that, how did I do? She's the most exciting to look at.